Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul. Today we are solving another interesting problem from LeetCode, that is clearing digits. So if you are preparing for coding interviews like Mang or product-based companies, this is a must-know technique. In this video we will cover the problem statement, means problem breakdown, then best approach, and why this one is optimal, why this is better considering others. Later, we will implement it using Java, and I will just show you the working and everything of this code, what is happening there. Okay, so if you are ready to level up your coding skills, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more such content. So let's dive in. So here is our problem. Here we have given a string s containing both letters and digit. So our task is to remove all digits and the closest non-digit character to their left. So this process should be repeated for all digits in the string. So these are some example. I will just show you. Okay. So just take one example like uh, our input like A, B, C, 1, D, 2, E, 3, F. Okay. So this is our string now. As you can see, as our question, this is our first letter and closest to the left means C. So we have to remove 1 and C. Like that, we have to remove 2 and D, then 3 and D. So the result will be like uh, output will be A, B, F. Okay. Now using this, how it will be. So in this one, I will use one stack. So as you know, stack is like a push and pop operations. That one, it's like a container thing. Just consider this as our stack. So the way is, first of all, we have the string for a non-digit. Then it will push it into the stack. Then we have a, okay. Then again it's a non-digit. Sorry. Again it's a non-digit. Then see, then it comes 1. Okay, so when it becomes 1, when it becomes a digit, we will remove this one, and same time we have to pop these things out, means the C will go out. So currently we have A and B. Like that, next D will come here. Then we have 2. So like the same, 2 will get removed and D will pop out. Same for E3. Like that we have to do. So that's the thing, we are using a stack method here. I hope you understand the concept. So let's start. So before starting, I will just give you another option, that is the naive approach. So it is like we have to iterate through the string and remove the characters manually. But the problem is it leads to inefficient operations. Like removal takes big of n time each, which means for each one we have to go for um, each traversal. So the worst case time complexity become big of n square, which means it will be more complex for large inputs. So it's a worst one. That's why we are using stack-based solution. Here we will use a stack in order to efficiently track non-digit characters. And the interesting part is we are just iterate the string only once, which make it big of n complexity. While encountering a digit, we remove the most recent non-digit character from the stack. Later, the remaining character in the stack will form our final answer. That's the thing. Now let's start our coding part. So first of all, we have to create one stack. So here, instead of using a stack data structure, we will use string builder in order to store non-digit characters efficiently. So string builder stack new string builder. Okay. Now we have to iterate over the string. So to do, for this, we have to traverse each character in the given string, right? So that I will use one for each loop for char c to char array. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to check whether the character is a digit that we need to remove its closest non-digit to the left. So if mm, character is digit c. Okay, so once we check this one, we have to ensure that this stack isn't empty. That's the first condition we have to keep in mind. So if stack dot length greater than 0, then we have to delete the last character. What is what means which is the closest non-digit to the left. So stack dot caret length minus 4. Now after we've done this, we have to do another, one more thing. Like if the character is not a digit, what we have to do? We just need to store this one in our stack, right? So nothing but just come out of this loop Sorry. Yes. Else we will use append C. Yeah. So this one will push the non-digit characters into the stack. Now, once we've done this, we have to come out of these for loop and everything. And this is our final part where we have to return our output. So here what we have to do is currently we have to convert our string builder stack into a string. So return stack dot to string. So here we will use the to string method. Just run it. What's the issue? I missed. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, it's working. So submit. So as you can see, it beats 100% and taking only 1 ms time. So I'll just show you. I'll just show you one more example. Means not one more. This one only, but in a table manner. It's my first time using this one. So just steps character stack before action stack after. So just we will go for the same thing is equal to ABC1 D2 E3F. Okay. So currently we have at step 1 we have character A and the stack is empty. Just keep it like this. Now what we have to do? We have to for pushing I will use this arrow push A. So our stack will become A. Okay. So that's the first step. Then second step we have character B. Already our stack have A. Not the same like before because it's a non-digit. So the stack become A B. Now, step 3. Here we have our character C and currently A, B. And as it is a non-digit, we will push it in C. So A, B, C. Now here comes our digit. So currently A, B, C. Then what will happen? We are just for pop out. I will use upside arrow C and our this become AB. So I'm not going through full now because taking too much time. So let this be our input. So once this done, it will be AB, our final output. So considering that brute force approach, this one is better because of the complexity. For time complexity, it this one taking big of n space same big of n, and this one becomes efficient by using the deletion using string builder. So that's how you solve clear digits using a stack based approach. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Comment below your alternative solution and questions if any. Until next time, happy coding.